Hey, welcome to Home with Joey. Today, I would like to show you a 4-room flat in Woodlands Glen. If you are in the market to looking for MOP unit, please follow me. Let me to show you. It is a beautifully renovated unit that is surrounded by amenity nearby for you and your family convenient. It's close to Woodlands Sound MRT station and it's just around 550 meters away. Besides that, Sensong Supermarket also only in 5 minutes walking distance, as well as it has good selections of primary school and secondary school in the vicinity. If you are interested on just now what do you see, please feel free to contact me soon. And once again, thank you for watching Home with Joey. I would like to show you the next showcase. See you, bye bye.